Hi everyone, we have finally arrived at KLIA. So yeah, when is our flight? 9 p.m. So yeah, say hi.
Hai. Setakat ini yang saya tahu, saya tak tahu lah.
Okay. Faham? 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 Faham. Let's go.
Glazed one is for me.
Laju.
Tak.
Dia tengah kurangkan berat. Ada bahagian dia under minimum lah. So we try our best.
Hi everyone, we are back.
Hi everything.
So now we're going to check in our luggage.
Movie.
Luggage. Ooh.
Big luggage.
Doctor, are you excited?
Yep.
How
Truly.
excited?
110%.
Okay.
Hi.
Is this your first flight?
Yeah, it's fine. First
Are you
flight.
excited?
Kind of scared. I don't know why. So, I mean, excited and scared. So
Yeah. Enjoy your first flight.
thanks.
Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.
Bye.
So back with Melbourne again.
Yeah, it's me
We
again.
are on the way to
So the plane. I guess.
to somewhere. Yeah, somewhere. Want to know where? Stay tuned. Hi guys, update. So we are going to
board the
board
flight actually. Yeah.
in few minutes. So yeah, this is the place that we say somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
Stay tuned. Hi guys, we are back with updates. Now we going to where?
To Dallas.
Yes, to Dallas.
Dallas.
So it will be a 16 hours flight. Are you ready? Me too. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. Are you ready for 16 hours flight?
Yeah, but let's see whether we can survive or not. This guy can survive anyway.
Bye. Hi everyone. We have another 1 hour and 27 minutes to land. So now we're having our last meal on the flight. Ta-da!
Flattened croissant. Kind of nice though, without the strawberry. I ate the strawberry separately from the croissant, so yeah.
What's that?
Strawberry. Is it yogurt?
Yeah.
Yeah, strawberry yogurt.
So we have mixed fruits. Hello. After 16 hours,
We are made
how do you feel?
Feel damn good.
Damn good.
I can stand up.
Setakat ini yang saya tahu, saya tak tahu lah. Macam biasa.
Okay. You?
I feel great.
Your face doesn't look
Welcome to El Paso.
We finally touched down
After how many hours?
after how many days?
Oh yeah, how many days? After 2 days, finally we are here.
Just wasted.
He goes, well, this is the end of the road for me. And I'm like, well, what are you going to do? He goes, well, I have a key to the perimeter fence. It's just a private, I told people I'm going to quit my job and I'm be an Uber driver because I thought that I was the tensile, how do you know how strong it has to be?
Ah, I see. Actually, when you do simulation on the computer, right?
Okay.
Hi everyone, we have arrived at our Airbnb. Say hi!
Hi!
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you excited? Sleepy? Someone is hungry and tired.
What to do? Hungry.
Ta-da-da.
Gadis hadir.
Are you excited? Yes. Doctor, are you excited?
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Rika, how are you feeling?
Excited.
Yay. Are you excited?
Yes, and I'm also very tired at the same time.
Hungry? Not so. Food coma from playing. Okay.
I miss nasi lemak, guys.
She miss nasi lemak. You miss what Malaysian food?
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah, especially
You?
my mom.
It's lain.
What? What is it? I don't know.
I miss wantan mee.
Wantan mee.
Bye. Welcome to El Paso.
Oh my god, my duduk. Buat Nazi.